So you have never heard of friction stir welding?
No.
Then you're no different to most people. But this welding process offers huge advantages. And how exactly does it work, I hear you ask? Well, the principle is appealingly simple. A rotating special-purpose tool passes through the joint line between two workpieces. The rotation and the pressure exerted result in frictional heat, which plasticizes the material. The workpieces are hence simply stirred up. But what makes the process so special then? Well, firstly, the connections produced through friction stir welding boast a particularly high joint quality. This means parts can be welded together so that they're gas and pressure-proof, and the reproducibility of the joints also means the process is particularly good for mass production. To add to this, many of our customers save themselves a great deal of preparation and follow-up work on the welded joints. Finally, neither filler materials nor shielding gas is required, making friction stir welding an extremely environmentally and employee-friendly process. Now, if you think that's exactly what we need, then simply give us a call. With over 15 years of experience, cutting-edge machinery, and our highly qualified employees, we make your projects become reality. From prototypes to mass production, at RIFTEC, we have the hardware and the expertise.